So to die in the seafaring way, because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's the fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. There's fire in the hole, and jump and earth the beams, ready to get scuppered. And welcome to sea. Well, all through my life as a sailor, I've climbed in the rigging so high, and then I'll be ascending much higher on the steps that lead up to the sky. Because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's a fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. It's fire in the hole, and jumping in the beams, ready to get scuppered. And welcome to sea. Well, the ring boys, there's plenty of liquor. Drink while the ship's still afloat, 'cause soon you'll be drinking salt water. You'll just have to open your throat. Because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's the fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. There's fire in the hole, and jumping in the beams, ready to get scuppered. And welcome to sea. Wife is a woman in search of a longevity. Well, she never sleeping or coming, and never tastes that much sugary. Because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's the fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. There's fire in the hole, and jumping in the beams, ready to get scuppered. And welcome to sea. Well, the captain's got a chest full of silver, and the leg is gravity, and the leg that is made out of wood. Ow. But you can swim for your life with this treasure. I'd see you amazing if I could. Because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's the fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. There's fire in the hole, and jumping in the beams, ready to get scuppered. And welcome to sea. Because there's fire in the hole, ready to get scuppered. It's the fire in the hole, ready to jump overboard. There's fire in the hole, and jumping in the ready to get scuppered. And welcome the sea. Thank you. We'll see you in about 15 minutes.